So I saw a video on how to take the wheel off the regular Peloton and disassemble the bike, and I wanted to let you know how to do it to the Peloton Plus. Guess what? It's the same way. But the guy didn't really explain it good. You take this cover off, you got 2 screws up top and a little push tab on the bottom. All you have to do is push that tab in and it releases. The other part of the tab is right here. And then this cover pops right off. And then this little, this is your cadence sensor. You want to take that Allen right here out, and this cadence sensor pops right off. And the best thing to do is to loosen up this bolt, and then you can get to this bolt here, this big Allen here. I just put it on this doohickey here, ring. But what you want to do is you want to tighten that big bolt, because when you tighten it, it pulls this wheel up, which releases the tension on the belt. It doesn't release it all the way, it's still tight. So all you gotta do is stretch the belt over the wheel. You know, I just did that with one hand, wasn't even trying. Super easy. And if you want to move it easily, take this wheel off. Once you take these 2 bolts loose and remove that belt, I would put a towel down here just to make sure you don't mar up the bottom of the bike itself. But the wheel comes right out. And then you can take the belt off and take the wheel. It's like a 35, 40 pound wheel. Once you remove that, it makes the bike a whole lot easier to move. Also, what helps you move it is removing this handlebar assembly. There's a set screw right here. This slides in here, and the set screw is right here, and it keeps it from coming up all the way. So once you remove that set screw, the handlebars slide right out, and there's a plug right here for the screen, for the cable, right here. So you don't have to remove the monitor. The guy I bought the bike from thought you needed to remove the monitor, which is super easy too. There's a cover and then 2 screws. I don't even think there's a cover. Just 2 screws on the bottom here, and the monitor comes off. Here's the monitor. Yeah, right there, 2 screws. Super simple. But I would just take that set screw off, unplug it, pop the handlebars out with the monitor, pop the wheel off, and pop the seat out. Pop the seat off. And then you can grab the bike and move it easily by just grabbing it like right here. It's still a little heavy, the bike by itself, but carried it up 2 flights of stairs. I was huffing and puffing a little bit, but it's totally doable. This cover's super easy to take off. It goes right here. All you gotta do is take that screw out. There are Allens on the Peloton Plus and Phillips head screws on the regular Peloton. That's about it as far as I know. Enjoy.